Hi, it's Dr. Arif Rajpura here, Director of Public Health for Blackpool Council. I'm here to give you another update on the coronavirus pandemic and how it's affecting Blackpool. I'm pleased to say again this week that the cases remain at a low level in our town, and so that's really positive news. However, we mustn't be complacent, and we need to keep doing the things we've been doing over the last few weeks, which is maintaining social distancing, 2 meters when we're out and about, washing our hands or using alcohol sanitizer regularly throughout the day, particularly when we've been outdoors. Also following the advice on 𝗨𝗽𝗶𝗱𝘁𝗲𝗃, and wearing face coverings, of course, where they're required and on public transport and in supermarkets, etc. It's really important that we continue to follow this advice, and that will keep the levels of cases within the town at a low level. So please keep doing everything you've been doing. In terms of other updates, we are expanding our public protection teams so that we can support businesses, enforce where necessary, do spot checks. It's really important that all our businesses and our workplaces are COVID secure and that they're following that COVID safety advice and support. So please engage with our public protection teams when you see them out and about. They're there to help, they're there to provide advice. So you'll see more of that visible, proactive, preventive work going on in the town over the coming weeks. It's important when people are told to isolate by the test, track and trace system that they isolate. If you have had a COVID positive test, then you must self-isolate. People in your household must also self-isolate. It's important that people who have tested positive within a household try and limit the spread within the household as well. And there is advice to protect other household members on our website about how to control the infection and minimize the risk. We've had schools going back this week as well with the new school term beginning, and it saw Blackpool children heading back to the classroom. For some, this will have been a significant change because people haven't been in school for a number of months now. And for many children, they will have faced some of the anxieties. But what I can reassure you is that we've been working very closely with the schools and the Department of Education to make schools a safe environment. Schools have been working really hard, and of course there'll be a change in the physical environment that children will see when they enter the school. So it won't be as it was before. There will be changes, but this is there to protect our children and our staff. Our social media channels have some helpful information for parents, including a short informative video. So, just finally, whilst we're continuing to do really well in Blackpool, I can't stress enough that everyone must continue to follow the guidance. And I know I'm getting a lot, sounding like a broken record, but I think it's really important that people continue to follow the advice. Don't get complacent. Wear face coverings where they're necessary. Maintain social distancing, wash your hands, follow the advice on 𝗨𝗽𝗶𝗱𝘁𝗃𝗀𝗃. Those things are absolutely crucial, as well as engaging with the test, track and trace system. Thank you once again for everything that the great people of this town are doing to keep these levels low, and we don't then risk any sort of restrictions or lockdown. Thank you once again, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.